Hey, DVR Tech here with this month's Makergeeks 3D Geek Box. So, guess one thing has become normal. They are no longer sending out the monthly sort of newsletter that came in the box. It started out with a email, I guess it was 2 months ago, that they were delayed, and so they were just emailing them out. Well, it seems that that has become normal. So I went ahead and I printed it out so we can show that today. Today's box is 2 spools, a 3D Geek Box magnet, and 8 pieces of automotive wet sanding sandpaper. So the group project this month is a wet sand PLA project. So let's go and open the box and see what we have inside. So there we have it. We have some sandpaper. More sandpaper kind of thrown in here. And one more piece of sandpaper. There is our magnet for this month. And we get 2 exclusive filament colors. Starlight Blue. And the second color is Poison Ivy Green. There you have it. That's this month's box. Let's hope that there's some more fun and exciting projects next month. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe below. Thanks.